Yeah, you heard it. You're going to round out your first week of spring with some winter weather. Of course, you're no stranger to this in Denver. This isn't too out of the normal for you. So here's what we're looking at. By Friday afternoon, you'll have that rain building in. By Friday night, we really get those temperatures to drop, so you'll have the snow flying. And then heading into Saturday, you can see you warm up pretty quickly, back in the upper 40s. So it probably won't stick around very long. You can see generally around the Denver metro area, about 1 to 2 inches. You could see some slightly higher amounts as you look west and head into the higher elevations there. Here's what we're mainly looking at, though. You can see a swath of about 1 to 3 inches will generally be the story there around the Front Range into portions of the Plains, North Platte. You'll see some of that snow as well. But most of this, as you start to head to the east or around the Mississippi and east of the Mississippi, is mainly going to be rain. It's just going to be too warm for a lot of places to see snow out of this. So putting this into motion for you, we're starting you out Friday. You can see you've got the snow showers falling around Denver, or at least moving into Denver, heading into Friday night. That's when you really see that snow picking up for Denver. Rain, snow mix from North Platte down into Colorado Springs. And then you can see Omaha, Kansas City. This is going to be rain and thunderstorms for you. Quick look at the forecast for Minneapolis. Mainly just rain until we get into about Saturday night into Sunday, and then you're going to have a rain-snow mix. Alex, not going to last. That severe weather threat is going to ramp back up as we head into the latter part of the week. So let's break it down for you, starting with Thursday from Wichita east into Rolla, Missouri, Nevada. You're included in that. Coming just south of Kansas City for that severe risk tomorrow. We're talking hail, gusty winds, and of course, heavy rain. This is the setup for tomorrow. We've got just so much moisture being brought out around this system from the Gulf. This system's going to continue to kind of develop, but here's the thing, those extra warm temperatures that we've been talking about, or hot temperatures even, that's going to provide plenty of energy to get those storms developing. And then let's head up in the atmosphere a little bit. You've got support in the upper levels from a very strong jet stream that's going to also provide maybe some wind shear as well. That's going to carry into Friday as that system continues to strengthen, and you can see we're upping it a little bit. We've got that risk for severe weather for Joplin into Wichita and Tulsa. A lot of the same areas included in this, but we're stretching it up to Kansas City, St. Louis. You're now included in that on Friday as well. Here's what's going on. In the atmosphere, the upper levels, we've got this energy heading to the east, powerful jet stream winds, which are one of those elements that help to organize the storms and can also lead to those very damaging wind gusts. And still continuing with the abundant Gulf moisture ahead of this system. As mentioned, we've got that warmth ahead of it as well. So we've got the potential for supercells on Friday across that risk area, also damaging winds, hail, and you could see an isolated tornado. So we do have a Torcon of 3 for southeast Kansas, stretching into southwest Missouri and northeast Oklahoma on Friday.